If you're looking for a fully featured Bluetooth headset and you don't want to make any compromises, the Poly Voyager Focus UC is going to fit the bill. This on-ear stereo headset works just as fine during the conference calls as it does for casual music listening. There's active noise cancelling, a super clean boom mic, nice fit and finish features like memory foam ear padding, and a good spread of accessories. You will pay a premium for it, but if you're shopping in this category, you probably already know that. So let's break down everything this powerhouse has to offer without any delay. So we get to see a very sophisticated packaging here, a quick start guide, the USB dongle, we'll get to that soon, a well-designed rubber-based charging dock, we'll get to that soon, the headsets themselves, a micro USB cable for charging, the Plantronics case, and some more paperwork. Coming to the design, the Focus UC has a really interesting design, especially considering the other headsets on the market. Usually, business headsets stick to blacks, greys, and silvers. While Voyager Focus does lean heavily on this color scheme, it folds in some interesting pops of red both in the elastic headband as well as underneath the mesh holes on the ear cups. The ear pads themselves are just under 3 inches in diameter, and the plastic silver boom mic is also just under 3 inches. The headband is constructed of two sturdy plastic bases and a bare metallic arc going over the top of your head. Underneath that is an elastic supported head pad that comes together with those interesting red accents we mentioned. Even the case carries through the color scheme with a zipper. All in all, it's a refreshing design for this category. If we talk about the durability and build quality, Poly pulled no punches with the construction of this headset. The headband bracing is a very rigid steel arch which can be extended up to 10 sizes according to your head size. And the elastic foam headrest feels pretty durable too. Considering this is one of the most common places a headset fails, it's nice to see that Poly has sprung for high quality components at this point. The swiveling ear cups are fine, however, the memory foam ear pads seem like they might wear out over time. Poly isn't the best when it comes to ear cups, and the visuals we are showing here clearly explain the fact. The accessories are pretty solid with a thick rubber based stand that sits firmly on your desk and a padded travel case. Considering many of these headsets don't come with any accessories, it's nice to see. Another thing to note is that there isn't any advertised water or dust resistance, which shouldn't be an issue because this is an office headset. Coming to comfort, we have tested a few headsets in this category, and whether they're single eared mono headsets or stereo devices, the comfort level was always a point of contention. If you're using your headset on calls all day, these should be comfortable. The thick layer of memory foam on the Voyager Focus made them decidedly easy to wear for long periods, and because they're on ear, not over ear, there wasn't a whole lot of overheating. The headband on top has its own layers of leather and memory foam, and because it's supported by an elastic band, it rests pretty nicely right on top of your head. Plus, at 155 grams, these aren't too heavy. Now, the call quality, the most important segment. With drivers as big as these, there were no compromises in the sound clarity. It's a good deal better than all other call headsets with a good amount of bass and a rich response in the key vocal frequencies. Naturally, you can hear phone calls well on this headset, and with a 3 mic array that aims to optimize your voice through background noise, the speaking quality was pretty great to hear too. Now, the battery life. Because the rest of the features on this headset are so premium, we were hoping for 15 to 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, as that's the general estimate of premium Bluetooth headphones. but Poly clocks the talk time at 12 hours and closer to 10 when you have the active noise cancelling on. If you're just listening to music, you can get up to 15 hours on a single charge, but practically you will be doing some calls on this, so the working hours are closer to 10 to 12 hours. So yeah, it's safe to say that you will need to charge these in a fair amount. What's great is that Poly includes a premium charging dock with the package, and there's an additional micro USB charger too. This means you won't need to bring your charging dock on the go with you, though there's a nice traveling case if you're on a business trip. This versatility is really nice to see for the price point. There's a huge spread of controls and features. First, the volume is controlled by rotating the left ear cup forward or backward, which makes it really easy to adjust quickly. These are pause, play, and skip controls on the same ear cup. On the other ear cup is a giant call answer button. The on off toggle switch doubles as the Bluetooth pairing switch just by holding the toggle in the upward direction until the indication turns into pairing mode. There's also an open mic mute button that allows you to mute your voice on demand when you're on a video call. What's great about this is that the headset will use smart sensors on the speaker to recognize whether you put the headset down or not and will toggle the mute for you automatically. It even beeps at if you try to talk when it's on mute. The Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity on these headphones was fine in our tests. Basically, you'll have about 98 feet of range from your Bluetooth device, which is way more than you actually need in practice. In general, the headset worked well with all our Bluetooth devices, but it is difficult sometimes to connect to a laptop using Bluetooth, and so Poly included the USB dongle in the package, which was perfect. And because the headset is designed with cross device compatibility in mind, it should fold into your ecosystem seamlessly. If you look at the pricing, the device costs about 24,900 to 32,200 Indian rupees depending on the variants and discounts, which is actually pretty expensive. But yeah, the experience on these has been really up to the mark in the office ecosystem. The active noise cancelling is a nice feature that isn't normally seen on this category of headsets, and the impeccable amount of onboard controls make it worth it for specific users, but only if you can stomach the price tag. Now, the final verdict. The price is worth it if you're looking to invest in business calls. The Poly Voyager Focus UC provides really great connectivity, clearer call quality, and a solid integration into your workflow with smart, innovative controls and sensors. So, if you're looking for something in this category, you might want to order these. Also, we are dropping a setup and Plantronics Hub app walkthrough video soon with the unboxing plus review video, so stay tuned to experience its usability.